school activities. To study. To draw. To color. To play hide and seek. To race. To jump rope. I like to and I love to. For example, I like to study English or I love to play hide and seek. This is something that I like to do. I don't like to. For example, I don't like to color. This is something that I don't like to do. My name is Ellen. I like to draw, but I don't like to color. So, does Alan like to color? No, he doesn't. I love to play hide and seek. And I like to study English. So, does Alan like to study English? Yes, he does, or no, he doesn't? Yes, he does. Now it is your turn. Select the answers to the following questions. My name is Clara. I like to jump rope, but I don't like to race. Does Clara like to race? Yes, she does. Oh, no, she doesn't. Esta pregunta está en el trabajo enviado a casa. Puedes contestar en ese papel. I like to color. And I love to draw. Does Clara love to draw? Okay, guys, good luck.